Welcome to Self Trades. This is another demo video of how to use our chart to make good accurate profit in Nifty and Bank Nifty option using our intraday chart. So I'll be using this video to demonstrate our chart. I'll be just be brief in this video, and more things would be available when you are interested and you want to take a live demo. So without wasting our time, let's start. Today on 31st of August 2023, this is a Bank Nifty chart for the day. I am highlighting this chart for your reference. This is a chart which we are talking about. If you want to see below where my cursor is, this is a 30th August chart. So let me explain how the chart works. So the first and foremost thing, any trader who wants to trade in Nifty, Bank Nifty or any stocks wants to have an idea where the market is heading, whether market is in buy phase or sell phase. So what we have done, if you open our chart, you will see a line. Can you see this line which I am highlighting? This is a green color line. Now this green color line indicates that the market is on an uptrend or a bullish trend, or very simple, market above this line would remain on a bullish trend. And similarly, can you see this red line? This red line indicates that the market below this level is bearish. That means when the line is red, we will only take a sell position or a put option. When market is green, we will only take the buy option or will take a call option. Now how to trade? Now again I'll explain, this is not the normal super trend. This is an inspiration that we have taken from super trend. All calculation and everything is made by us. We have just made it visually attractive for our traders to understand. When we were making this software, the objective of our company was anybody who understands the basic traffic signal should be able to use our chart to make money in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So in the morning, the market gave a gap up opening. At around 9:20, we got a buy signal here which said that buy at 44,688. This was at 9:20 am exactly. The line was green, the signal was green. We took a buy position. Market went up as per expected line. It made a high of 44,956, but from there the market started coming down. So when it started coming down, you could see we got a red triangle. Now this red triangle indicates that if you are holding any call option, you must exit, because the trend of the market is the first signal that the market trend is going to go down. You don't have to take a put option. Why? Because the line below is still green. So we exited our position. We were in a profit of around 30-40 points. Good enough, fair enough. Market is not moving. Another question which everybody asks, that whether we have to take a position at 920 or not, or 917 or not. I myself is not a big fan of playing a gap up or gap down opening, because you don't know, there are many factors that are working. So I have an idea that whenever market give a signal after 930, you should trade on that. You have got more chances of success. So if the chart is giving a signal, we will continue with that. Whatever signal we got, we exited in profit. Now at around this time, exactly at 11:40 am, we got a sell signal in Bank Nifty. Now if you can see, whenever we get a sell signal or whatever is the current signal, this is the call. Whenever we get a current signal, it is mentioned on the bottom left corner of our chart. You can look, it says selftrades.in, sell at the rate 44,628, target 1, target 2 and the target 3 with a mentioned stop loss. You can see at our message, if you can look at bottom left corner, the trailing stop loss at that time was 44,764. So this means that we took a buy position here. When the market went up, we exited our position in small profit, and here we again got a sell signal. The line above is red. We got a sell signal. We took a put option. From there the market was not moving much. The market was flat, but it was on the lower side. Here at this time the market made a low of 44,550, but it was holding those level. So since market was holding those level At around 35-40 point profit, we got a green triangle. Now this green triangle means that we have sold. Now we have to exit our position for whatever profit we are getting, or if for any reason our trader friend is more convinced that the market is going to down, look at a stop loss. The stop loss now is 44,648. We have taken a position at 44,628. So even if we are exiting and you don't want to exit, you can put a very small stop loss of 20 points from the time you took a position. Okay, I'll just again highlight. When we took this position, if you look at the bottom left corner where my cursor is, the SL is 44,764. But as we go lower, our stop loss started reducing. We were trailing our stop loss. So once we got an exit signal in a profit around 35-40 points, the chart said if you want to hold, the SL should be 44,648. Then the market was holding, but market was not going up. It was very flat. At this time, around 13:45, we again got a sell signal, a red triangle. Now again, please understand this. This is very important. The line is Z. One thing is clear: we are only selling or we are taking a put option. So whenever we get a red triangle, we will take an entry, and whenever we get a green triangle, we will exit our position or book profit here. So if I can highlight this again, we took a position here. We were making money. If you exited any place in the middle, good. If not, we exited here, but market did not go up. The line was still red. We again took a sell position here. At this time, the price was 44,565. We took a sell position. Market came down a little. We were waiting at around this time, as per expected lines, around 220, the market started falling, and it started falling big with volumes. You can see all those big red bars here. And look at the message board. What was our profit? 269 points, 345 points, 417, 473. We had achieved our first target of 44,429. Market made a low of 44,155, and by the time market closed, we did not get any signal. But since this is an intraday chart, we have exited our position in a profit of around 400 points. So what I want to emphasize here, that using our chart you can make your trading very simple and make 400 points in Bank Nifty options every week and Nifty options every week 250 points. Now here I am going to highlight certain features. Before I highlighted certain feature, there are demo videos that are available on our YouTube channel. You can always mention that. So what we have to look is, first of all, we have to look at this trend line. Most important thing, if this is green, please my friend only look to take call position. If this is red, only take put position. Whenever you get a red triangle, take a put option. When you get a green triangle, exit put. You can always exit put in the middle. There is no hard and fast rule that you cannot exit. It is your money. If you are making good amount of profit, please exit your position. Now I'll highlight another 2 or 3 features that are important. Can you see this trend line which is at top left corner? Now this trend line indicates what is the current trend in the market. So by the time we were following the trend, in 1 minute trend in the market was red, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, all the trend in the market were red. If you want to see what is the current price, the live price is always highlighted at the top, 44,205.3. This was the price, last traded price of the market. Now this box is known as a sentiment box. Now this tells you what is the mood of the market. So when market started falling, if I can pick up exactly here, the mood was red, but then the mood did not change. I am highlighting this area because this is very important. Now this is, you don't have to trade as per this, but this will help you guide in the market. This is like your compass. So there are 7 circles: 0, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 7 minute, 10 minutes, 15 minutes and 30 minutes. So they will tell you mood of the market in 30 seconds, 1 minute, what is the mood of the market in 3 minutes, mood of the market in 7 minutes, 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes. So they will just help you out in understanding what is the mood of the market. So the first signal, the change that comes in a 1 second move. So when market, if I can highlight, in the morning when it was rising, it was all green. At around this level, you can see the 30-second mood started shifting. Then 3 minutes mood also started shifting. Then we exited our position. The mood had shifted in favor of BS. So the feature which we get is a trend line at top. This is a market mood. Now these two dots tell us where the volume is. That means if people are selling at a market price, whether they are selling or buying. If this is green, that means more people are putting buying orders. If this is red, that means more people are putting sell orders. Okay, like a trader, when you put an order of Bank Nifty, so whether you are putting a selling order or a buying order. So if this bigger circle is red, it represents 10 minutes. The smaller circle represent 2 minutes. So if the bigger circle is red, that means more people are putting sell order in last 10 minutes. If the smaller circle is red, it means that more people are putting sell order in last 2 minutes. The last and not the least is our baseline. If you look here at the bottom, there are some color coded things, right? Green, red, pink. So this green indicates, when this is green, that means bulls are in the favors. People are making money while being a bull. So more people are buying at market price and bulls are in favor. As we got a sell signal, look, the bulls have decreased and this become pink. Pink is also symbol of red. It is just a shade of red, so you can consider this as red also. So here the bears started to take position, and around at 3 p.m. the bears were changing with red color. So this also helps you understand what way the market is behaving. A lot. We have made a special video on this feature. You can always watch, which is available on YouTube. This is just a small example of how our software works. Using our software, if you are interested, you can just call on the number mentioned here and on the description. We will give you live demo, explain all your queries, and you can use our software to make 400 points in Bank Nifty options and 250 points in Nifty option every week without fail. So it is my humble request, just watch this video, and if you like this video, contact us. We will tell you how to use our software. The demo is completely free. Make money. Don't fall for any kind of Telegram channels who have got their own vested interest. Just watch videos, become a self trader, and make money using our software daily. Thank you. Thanks for your time.